Welcome to watch the Hubsan drone tutorial video, Connection Method. This video will tell you the detailed connection steps between the aircraft, the remote control, and smart devices. Scan the QR code in the manual or product color box to download the Hubsan 2.0 app. You can also open the mobile application market and search for Hubsan to download and install the Hubsan 2.0 app. Take out the remote control firstly. Pull down the bracket. Take out the rocker from the rocker storage. And rotate it clockwise to install the rocker. Unfold the antenna and install the mobile device. Hubsan equipped with 3 cables to suit different types of mobile devices. They are micro USB interface, Type-C interface, and Lightning iPhone interface. The mark TX on one end of the connecting line indicates the connection of the remote control interface. The other end of the cable marked Phone means connection of the mobile device interface. Select the corresponding adapter cable, connect one end of the remote control, store the cable, and then connect it to the mobile device. Short press once, and then long press the remote control power switch to make a beep sound to turn on the remote control. Open the Hubsan 2.0 app on the mobile device. Select the drone model, click Enter Device, enter the main interface of aircraft operation. Once the controller icon changed to repeater icon, that means it's connected with the transmitter. Take out the aircraft, unfold the front arms of the aircraft, and then unfold the rear arms. It is necessary to unfold the arm to the maximum angle. Then unfold the tripod. And remove the protective cover of the gimbal. Removing and installing the battery. When you receive the aircraft, please charge the smart battery before taking off. Remove the battery. Hold the bottom of the aircraft. Pinch the buckles on both sides of the battery and pull up to remove the battery. Install the battery. Take out the aircraft battery, put the battery into the battery compartment, press down on the battery. When you hear a click on the buckle, it means the installation is in place. Check the left and right edges of the battery to make sure that the battery is properly assembled before flying. If the battery assembly is uneven, please check and press it in place before flying. Short press once, and then long press the power switch to turn on the aircraft. Move the aircraft closer to the remote control. Wait for 3 seconds. The screen displays real-time video transmission, indicating that the aircraft has been successfully connected. Thanks for watching the tutorial video. Any issue? Please feel free to contact service@hubsan.com.